So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Hello again and welcome. In our Business Continuity Planning BCP series, we've laid the groundwork by understanding BCP, launching a project, conducting a BIA, and identifying critical processes. Now we're going to focus on two crucial metrics that guide your recovery efforts: recovery time objective, RTO, and recovery point objective, RPO. Defining clear and realistic RTO and RPO values is absolutely critical for effective business continuity. These metrics set expectations for recovery speed and data loss tolerance, guide your resource allocation during an incident, and ultimately help minimize the impact of disruptions on your business and ensure data integrity. Let's start with the recovery time objective, or RTO. The RTO defines the maximum acceptable time that a critical business process or IT system can be unavailable following a disruption. It essentially answers the question, how long can we afford to be without this before it significantly impacts the business? It's about the time it takes to recover and restore operations. Several factors influence the RTO you set for a particular process or system. These include the business impact of its unavailability, its overall criticality, the technical complexity of the recovery process, the resources available for recovery, the associated costs, and any relevant regulatory requirements or service level agreements. Next, let's look at the recovery point objective, or RPO. The RPO defines the maximum acceptable amount of data loss that can occur during a disruption. It answers the question, how much data are we willing to lose? The RPO is directly related to your backup frequency and determines the point in time to which you need to recover your data. Several factors influence your RPO. These include the volatility of your data, the frequency of transactions, the capabilities of your backup infrastructure, your storage capacity, the speed of data recovery, and importantly, the cost associated with potential data loss. It's important to understand the relationship between RTO, recovery time objective, and RPO, recovery point objective. While distinct, they are often interdependent. Your desired RPO will influence the technical solutions you need for data backup and recovery, which in turn can impact your ability to meet your RTO. It's a balancing act between business requirements and technical feasibility. Setting realistic RTO, recovery time objective, and RPO, recovery point objective values requires careful consideration. You need to analyze your business needs, conduct a thorough cost-benefit analysis of different recovery options, assess the technical feasibility of achieving your targets, gather input from key stakeholders, understand your organization's risk appetite, and prioritize based on criticality. Once you've defined your RTO and RPO values, it's crucial to document them clearly within your business continuity plan. This documentation should map these recovery requirements to specific applications and services, and it's often included in service-level agreements, SLAs. Clear communication of these objectives is essential for transparency and alignment across the organization. Ultimately, your defined RTO and RPO values will guide your recovery planning efforts. They will influence your resource allocation, the technology choices you make for backup and recovery, the scenarios you test in your exercises, and the business decisions you make during an actual disruption. They provide clear operational priorities for your recovery teams. And that concludes our discussion. Next, we will dive into recovery strategies. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.